Yeah, so Merry Christmas to you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the Christmas. I'm actually enjoying myself, and it's been a while since I did a video because I've been busy throughout the Christmas. A lot of activities I have to cover and give you guys the updates, and I've been giving you guys the updates. Yeah, so once again, Merry Christmas to those who started with us, and also those who joined alongside, and those who are yet to join. You guys should stay safe out there. Enjoy yourself, chill, and also don't forget that COVID is still out there. What the year 2020 has been, but all in all, we still have to give thanks to God. And I also want to thank you guys for sticking and staying with us, watching each and every video we drop on this channel, and also liking and also sharing our content. I really, 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 really appreciate this thing that you guys are doing for me. Yes, so as I said, there's been a lot of activities, so I've not really been able to get a chance to do a video. But today, what is happening, I decided to actually talk about it or give you guys the details of it. Yeah, so some few hours ago, I dropped a video of the fights between Davido and Burna Boy. Yeah, so Accra, Ghana is now the hotspot when it comes to Christmas activities, and as well um, a lot of Nigerians fly from Nigeria and come to Accra. And I mean, people fly from all walks of life, or from all countries, come and celebrate their Christmas here in Accra because Accra has, if not at all, one of the hottest joints in Africa, or let me say in the globe, or let me say around the world. Yeah, so three of Nigeria's heavyweights, talking of Wizkid, Davido, and Burna Boy, are in Accra, and they are spending, their Christmas in Accra. A lot of people don't know, but how some of them, how Wizkid and Burna Boy got into the country is quite unknown to some people. But then we as bloggers and also media personalities, we know how they got to, and we know when they got to Accra. Burna Boy has been in Accra for a while. Burna Boy was the first to actually come to Ghana or Accra, followed by Wizkid, and now Davido. I give you guys updates of what happened at the airport. Stonebwoy is actually hosting Davido, and also being proud to that. The reason why Stonebwoy is hosting the video is the fact that Stonebwoy has a record with Davido, which is Activate, and that song is actually a banger. It's actually making waves. Several shows I've attended to, that song is being played there, which means that it's a Christmas song, or let me say a Christmas banger. Yeah, let me put it that way. Yeah, so Stonebwoy and his people, or let me say his entourage, went to the airport, Kotoka International Airport, to welcome the video. Huge welcome. You know, ceremony given to the video. A lot of bikes display and all that. I mean, if you haven't watched the video, check on our channel. Just go on our videos and you see the video there and watch it and see how Stonebwoy and his people and his team welcomed the video and his team to Ghana. Yeah, so but this is anytime the video comes to Ghana, there is a problem. I don't know what's up with the video brand and Ghana, or let me say Accra. We all know earlier this year the video had an issue with Bloomberg where he went to Bloomberg and it's alleged that he was sacked, and he threw words, swear words and all that at the people, saying that are they bigger than him, can buy Bloomberg 10 times and all that. Yeah, so just yesterday another thing also happened, and it has to do with an altercation, okay, between Davido and Burna Boy. And let me tell you guys back as to why this thing is actually happening, or why this thing happened. Yeah, so Davido and Burna Boy are two of Nigerian's heavyweights, and their beef starts way back. Like they are both talented, and it seems legends or two top artists can never coexist, of which I don't get it. But anyway, that's the nature of the culture, so we have to take it like that. So they have been some kind of back and forth between the video and and Wizkid, and they've been doing that on social media a lot and also in their songs. But the latest brow, let me say latest thing between the two of them has to do with the video recording a song which was alleged to be for Burna Boy, that's Fame, where he was alleged to be
throwing shots at Burna Boy. And also, we all know that when it comes to talent, both of them are talented. But then sometimes Burna Boy says that the video is not talented because the video is not a hustler. But the video was born with a silver spoon, and all that. You actually know the video's parents, or let me say his family, are one of the top people in Nigeria. And when we are talking about people who have a say in Nigeria, the video's father is one of those people because they have money. Like he's coming from a very wealthy family. Yeah, so Burna Boy, who background is not as compared to that of Davido, he feels that Davido, if not for the environment around him, he wouldn't have become who he is. But then Burna Boy, he said he has actually worked his ass off, okay, out, to reach where he has reached. And Burna Boy has been nominated for Grammys, a lot of top awards. His songs are very very soothing. I mean, no respect to the video is also very good. The video, when it comes to songs, he has gotten hits upon hits. Like these are two top artists on the African, not only Nigeria, but on the African continent. Yes, so as I said, they have that kind of glitch. I mean, they don't really meet to face and all that. And in Accra, it's rather unfortunate that they met at Twist, and it seems actually things really don't go. They didn't really turn out well between the two of them. Where it was alleged that the DJ was playing Burna Boy's song, and a whole lot of issues, and you know, and it seems both parties did not really have some kind of understanding. Therefore, I learned there was some kind of exchange of words and also blues and all that. But Ghana, we don't encourage violence and all that. We like beef though, but when it comes to violence, nobody, we frown upon that. Our laws do not really take that lightly. They don't take it lightly at all. Yeah, so there was a back and forth between the two of them, and therefore it was alleged that the video had to leave the scenery to allow the proceedings or whatever thing that was going on to happen. And I learned the video when he went to another place to chill out with Stonebwoy and all that. Yeah, so tonight as I'm speaking, the preparations are head on for the Activate party between Davido and of Davido and Stonebwoy. That's what Stonebwoy is actually hosting. It's going to happen at Sandbox, and I'm sure that a whole lot of things are really going to happen there and all that. Yeah, so Burna Boy, who has also taken things on the low, has not really said anything, but the video actually has taken to social media, and he has tweeted something so sensitive. And for me, I'm trying to find out why a whole Davido, somebody that is one of the top dogs when it comes to African music, has actually tweeted this. And this is what the video said. The video was saying that it's high time he leaves this music thing for Una. So he said, I will leave music for Una, and Una means, like, in Nigeria, I think it's a Nigerian, which means like you. So he's going to say that. So he's saying that he's going to leave music for us. And guys, please, this one day I'm begging Davido, please, why do you want to leave the song for us? You can't leave the song for us now, because we enjoy your songs. I mean, if not at all, we enjoy the songs that you give to us. Your lyrics and everything is on point, your voice and all that. You can't leave song because probably you're having issues with your other colleagues in the industry. No, Charlie. I mean, this even draws my attention. This even brings me back to Wizkid. The video Wizkid and Burna Boy, they're on the top guys there. And Wizkid is just like Ghana R2Bs, where you have nothing to say about him, but when you say something about him, he will also not come and give you that attention and all that. Wizkid, what has not been said about Wizkid, but then you will never see Wizkid replying or say something, like trying to create that kind of media attention. No. You won't get Wizkid there. You will never get Wizkid there. You get it. So I think it's high time Burna Boy and the video also try to learn that particular thing from Wizkid. If they can't learn it, come and see R2Bs. Come and see Payday and Mugis, and they'll teach them how to go about having a very good press, and letting the press or the media not have any bad thing against you and all that. Yeah, so the video saying that he's leaving this song for us, for me, I don't agree. I don't like it at all. Guys, what do you think about that? Do you want the video to leave the music thing for us, or you want him to still do music? Comment down below and let's get interactive in there. But yes, so after that also he dropped a video where he was shouting, he was being kind of hyper, and I'm actually wondering what he was trying to say. I don't know if it was a Nigerian language or not. I'm not a Nigerian, so I don't really understand their language very well. Too late, Joe! Yeah, but from the action you could see he was trying to show some kind of he was sent some kind of message to Burna Boy saying that, hey, you have to be in your lane and you can never come where or close to where I am and all that. But for me, I think we need all these things to to keep the culture moving and all that, but then not in a violent way. You guys can beef through music. You guys can do whatever thing you have to do through music, but then when you meet each other, you don't have to show whatever thing that you have between you know amongst yourself and all that. For me, I think that would be the best way for us to have a very good culture. Yeah, so guys, so this has been the latest surrounding this particular issue. Okay, the risky, so let me say the Burna Boy and the Davido altercation or the issue that is actually trending on social media, especially on Twitter and all that. Yeah, so as and when we hear any information or I get in hand of any information, I'm going to definitely share with you guys right here on that HTV. As always, if you are new here, can you subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.